My name is Robert Davis. I was attending Marine Institute, and I understand the foundation in which the school is built on. When I came to PTTI, I had ambitions on wanting to do something and change my life. So I figured I would go into the trade, learn the pipe fitting and welding and also sprinkler system. Because I think I like that better because it helps me to get more involved in the community as well as being involved in people. And this is a great place to meet people at the same time. You're learning different trades, different skills. You meet people in different skills and different trade levels. It's not an attitude thing. It's more or less a teamwork. And that's what PTTI is about, learning the skill levels of what you want. And you have the instructors. Also, you have the students that'll help you. And I like that because it helps me become a better person as well as become a model citizen for my grandchildren and for my kids. Yes, I have my future is basically to own my own company and to be able to train others, also be able to get their skills. Anybody that wants to go around my age, it's time right now while you still got life. Exercise your right to learn, your right to want to learn, and your right to want the ability to learn. Have faith, most important thing. Above all, have faith and believe in yourself because nobody's going to believe for you. If you have faith and believe in yourself, you can become positive in anything that you want, that you put your mind to.